Hello? Hello drops. Here are the following ingredients. 1/2 kilos of sugar. I choose this kind of sugar. 2 kilos of sticky rice. And then 5 sachets of coconut milk. 1 coconut milk sachet is equivalent to 1 coconut. And then of course, we needed water to cook the sticky rice. Thank you. And for the equipment, we needed 2 bilaos because it's for the 2 kilos of sticky rice. And of course, we also need the fresh banana leaves, very fresh. And to start, make sure that your hands are clean. I cut my nails and wash my hands for the start. And first, we needed to cook the sticky rice. We should wash this. We will cook the sticky rice just like we cook an ordinary rice. Bango.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello drops. Bali yung kulay brown, ayan na yung latek. And then yung nakikita nyo transparent from the coconut milk, ayan na yung virgin coconut oil. And then, tanggalin ko na lang para makuha ko yung latek. Kailangan natin sa sinukmani. Okay drops. Sa same container, gagawa na ako ng mixture. Yung nakikita nyong brown na yan, ayan yung gawa ng latek. Pero kanina, maganda naman yan. So, kailangan natin pakuluan and then isusunod na natin mamaya ang sugar. Okay, kapag kumukulo na ang coconut milk, ilagay na ang mga asukal. Okay, wait until it's boiled. Oh, it's boiling. Para na siyang amoy sangkaka. So, pwede na natin ilagay ang niluto natin sticky rice kanina. So, ito na yung sticky rice kanina. Ilalagay na natin yan dito. Gawin natin ng paunti-unti. Then, cover lang ng mixture. So, okay yung pagkakagawa natin ng sticker.
It sound right, boy.
Ganun lang, paulit-ulit lang.
Check
Then,
the mic
mamaya,
and make sure
aalugin
it
natin.
sound right, boy.
And so on and so forth. Yan, halo-halo lang. Mix-mix. Mix-mix. Kailangan ma-cover lahat. Okay, plating na tayo. So, transfer na natin yan dito sa ating bilao. Ito kanina hinugasan ko na to and then pinunasan. And then nilaib ko na rin yung banana leaves. Nilaib, ibig sabihin ay napadaanan ko na ng apoy. And kailangan gawin yon. Yun yung traditional. And then, transfer na natin. Very nice, no? Ang laki ng banana leaves. Kahit bumagyo dito sa amin. Lahat ng banana leaves sira. Nakakuha pa rin si mama. Transfer na natin. Ganun lang. Then mamaya, ipa-flatten natin. Yan. And so on and so forth. Continue ko na.
It sound right, boy.
And now it's done! May bawas na agad. Tada!
It sound right, boy. Check the mic
Okay,
and make sure it
taste
sound
test na
right,
tayo.
boy.
Sige, ating tikman. Try natin kung masarap ang niluto ng aking kuya na sinukman. Tama-tama lang. Masarap. Hindi matamis. Tapos meron ano to? Sprinklers. Hindi siya hindi OA. Try nyo, masarap.
Yan, dito tayo sa may latek. Tama-tama yung lasa kasi hindi ganun katamis yung nilagay kong asukal. Yun ang importante doon. And then, fluffy yung pagkakaluto. Kaya gumawa na rin kayo, sundan nyo lang yung mga ingredients and procedure. Madali lang ang paggawa ng sinukmane.
Since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me.
Tawag dito ay latek. O, tikman natin na may kasamang latek.
Ginawa ko talagang hindi ganun katamis, tapos tama-tama yung lasa. Yun ang maganda doon. Kasi merong nag-overpower yung Mamaya, ang ingay, Miss Ding!